Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this episode of Win Cuisine, I'll show you how to make spinach patties or spinach cutlets. As we all know, spinach is a highly nutritious leafy vegetable. This is a very tasty plant-based or vegetarian appetizer or snack. We can make this spinach patty with very few ingredients that we almost have in our kitchen. Here the pan is on medium heat and I'm gonna add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Add some ginger and garlic chopped to this and stir. To this I'll be adding half of 1 medium-sized onion. Saute all these for few minutes or until our onion turns translucent. Okay, now we'll add half teaspoon of turmeric powder to this and then mix. After this, we'll add our remaining powders like 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon each of cumin powder, garam masala and pepper powder. Saute all these and we need to add half teaspoon of chili powder as well. Okay, this is good, and now we'll add our spinach. Here I'm adding 1 bag of spinach, that is 16 ounce or almost 450 grams. Mix everything for 1 to 2 minutes because we don't need to overcook spinach. It's almost 2 minutes now and I'm gonna off the burner. Allow this to cool down a little bit. Then transfer the spinach onion mix to a blender and make a smooth paste. Next step, in this pan I have 3 medium-sized potatoes in cold water and I'm gonna bring this to boil and cook until the potatoes become soft. Then remove the skin and mash these potatoes. Grate 1 medium-sized carrot and add into this. To this, add the spinach paste and salt to taste and mix all these thoroughly. Since spinach has more water content, we need to add almost 1 cup of breadcrumbs to this and mix all these together until everything is well combined. Okay, this is mixed well and now I'm gonna make equal size patties out of these. You can make any shape or size according to your preference. From this much amount, you should get almost like 14 to 18 patties. Now we'll do the final part. For that, in this bowl I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour and some panko breadcrumbs on the other plate. To the flour, add a pinch of salt and pepper and add enough water to make a slightly thick paste. Now take each patties, dip in the flour batter and then roll in the breadcrumbs before frying. For frying, add enough oil to the pan and make sure the pan is on medium heat. Drop the patties one by one. and fry until it turns golden yellow in color. This is good. I'm going to take this from oil and transfer this to a paper towel. That's all for our spinach patties or spinach cutlets. It's a very nutritious and healthy snack. Thank you for spending time with me. I'll be back with another great recipe. Until then, you all take care and God bless.